Hello and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. We're at day 20. Look at that. 10 days left. 10 days left. Like, go us. Hello, if you're here, if you're new here, welcome. This is a no excuse way to pour into yourself and make time for you every single day as we show up together to embrace, empower, and expand our true selves. I'm your host with the most, Miss Akira, and today the song of the day is Two Step Into the Living Room or In the Living Room by Alex Isley and Terrace Martin. They just dropped a collab project. It sounds so good. Go take a listen. And to pick your brain for the day, my question is, what have you learned this week? It's Friday, basically the end of the week. Have you learned anything new? Knowledge is power, and I feel like it is what helps us to keep growing in love. So share with me. It could be a fun fact about you. It could be whatever. But I want to know, what have you learned this week? Some of us may not be in school anymore, so learning is an option. But for me, learning is just, it has to happen. Like, we have to stay curious and we have to just keep going and growing together. So let's dive into these affirmations, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Let's dive into the affirmations. You ready? I am worthy and valuable. I embrace my imperfections and find beauty in them. Me as I'm doing makeup. Progress is more important than perfection. I release the need for everything to be flawless. I let go of unrealistic expectations and embrace my best efforts. I choose self-compassion over self-criticism. I celebrate small victories and acknowledge my process. I trust in my abilities and believe in my potential. Perfection is an illusion, and so I choose to focus on authenticity. That's a really good one. That's a really good one. I'm going to say that again. Perfection is an illusion, and so I choose to focus on authenticity. I give myself permission to learn, grow, and evolve. Regardless of what that looks like. My worth is not dependent on the opinion of others, nor my accomplishments in this realm. I am deserving of love and acceptance just as I am. I'm going to say that one again. I am deserving of love and acceptance just as I am. I release the need to compare myself to others. I release the need to compare myself to others. accept that mistakes are a part of the learning process. I do not allow one mistake to be the reason I do not try again. I do not allow one mistake or one scenario to be the reason that I do not try again. I am proud of who I'm becoming, even with my imperfections. I let go of the fear of failure and embrace the possibility of growth. I'm going to say that again. I let go of the fear of failure and embrace the possibility of growth. I am confident in my abilities and trust my instincts. I am confident in my abilities and trust my instincts. I appreciate the journey, knowing that it may be filled with ups and downs. I am enough exactly in this moment. I celebrate the unique qualities that I possess. Here and now, I am offering myself grace. I am giving myself permission to breathe. I am giving myself permission to exhale fully and embrace who I am right now. I celebrate the strengths that make me who I am. I embrace uncertainty as it is an opportunity to grow. I am choosing to focus on the positive aspects of myself and my accomplishments. I am choosing to focus on the positive aspects of myself and the accomplishments that I've made. I am not defined by I'm like stumbling. I am not defined by my mistakes, nor do they. Hold on. I am not defined by my mistakes, and they do not diminish my worth. I trust in my ability to handle challenges with grace and resilience. I deserve happiness and fulfillment, regardless of imperfection. I release my overwhelming need to worry about what's next. I release any overwhelming feelings of stress about the future. I give myself permission to ask for help and support when I need it. I am strong, and I know that I don't always have to move as though I am self-sufficient. I am expanding my capabilities of success. I am expanding my capabilities of receiving. I am on a journey of self-improvement, and progress is the measure of my success. I want to thank you guys for getting ready with me, and I hope that these affirmations resonated. They definitely hit some parts for me, so I pray that they did the same for you. I want you to have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.